Okay, today we are going to be talking about Khan Academy. So Khan Academy is a very useful tool for assessing your students' knowledge and also helping them learn with some different instructional videos in practice. So there's a lot of math on here. As you can see, I'm about to choose a course for my test class. There's also some different test prep for ACT. There's science, computing, arts and humanities, economics, English language arts, life skills, and a bunch of other courses that you can use. I teach seventh grade, so I'm going to click seventh grade and sixth grade so that I have access to both grade levels. Then when you get to your page, if you go to assignments, it will show you everything that's available for that grade band. So if you click down, it will give you kind of step by step. Now you can assign a whole subject, but it's 45 different modules, which is a lot for kids when they see it. So I like to decide, okay, I am going to use rates and proportional raising. I want to use Khan Academy to help with that. So I would go down and click on rates and proportional relationships. Let's say I want them to learn more about constant proportionality, and I'm going to use this before I teach them in class. I might click these few videos, and then you can also, if you click on the video, you can see what video your students would see. And if I'm curious about what type of questions they would be doing, I could click on this exercise, and it says students will do 4 of these 20 questions. So I can see what type of questions they would be asking and if that is appropriate and aligns to what we're going to be doing in class. So if I go ahead and click on that, I click assign, I'm going to assign it to my test class, and you can change the due date, and you can also decide if you want different question sets for the student or the same, and then you can assign it. Once you have assigned it, you can either go to view assignments here or on your main page, you would go to scores, and then it has everything that you've assigned. You can sort it based on when it's due, because eventually this will rack up with a lot of different things going horizontally. So what's really nice about this is I have test students Anne and Joey in my class. I can see if they watch the video, and then I would also be able to see their score on this constant proportionalities from graphs practice questions. And I can see all of their different attempts, and it will show me their highest score, which is really nice. So until they get 100% on their screen, it'll keep saying try again, which is cool. You can also set different goals for like course mastery. So let's say I want all my kids to get through 7th grade math by the end of the school year. I create that goal for them, and then I see how far they are in it. I would show you what a real report would look like, but I can't show my students' names. And then you can see how far they are in each of the different subdivisions in the course. It's a really interesting tool that you could use for in-person learning as well as online learning. I hope that this helps a little bit. I know that for math teachers, you can use Khan Mappers, which is kind of an extension of Khan Academy, where you use their map score to help intervene with specific lessons, which is really interesting. But I hope you found this video interesting and that it can help you implement Khan.